Saturday afternoon. I think I could probably say that at this moment. But wanted to tell you all, thanks for joining us. For those of you that are joining us live, we're taking a break. This morning we're here at the Clint Scale House in Anderson, South Carolina, where the Zone Service Inc. is housed. And we're actually doing a mental health first aid class. I have here today one of my great partners, co-facilitator Lucilla Beaton, and myself. For those that don't know me, Treca DeShields, Master Social Worker, and we both are certified instructors for the mental health first aid. So we wanted to talk just very briefly while we're on a break and kind of wrapping up our training for today, a little bit about mental health first aid and how you all could help us get the word out about this program. So Lucilla, can you tell them a little bit about what we do when we're providing the certification for mental health first aid?
Well, it's a very valuable program because if you think about mental health first aid, it's really like physical CPR. Mm-hmm. If someone is experiencing a mental health crisis, or we want to support a person who is dealing with mental illness, even on an ongoing basis, what this course offers is a 5-step action plan that will equip us to, as lay people, we're both licensed social workers, we're therapists, but this course is really designed to enable lay people, mothers, fathers, people in the community who care about people who are dealing with and managing mental illness, to be that support and really help them to refer or get them into the hands of professionals that could assist them, or even encourage them to have some really good self-help skills for themselves. Right.
And what I like that you said, you talked about the 5 steps. And in this mental health first aid instructions, we deal with something called ALGE. And what ALGE is first of all, is that we're going to assist. We're going to help people identify ways that they can assist someone that may be in a mental health crisis. Also, we're going to listen to them in a non-judgmental way. We're going to give them the reassurance, and we're going to encourage them, and we're going to also encourage them to get other resources or to continue moving forward in their self-care. I went over that because we're in a time of a grand pandemic throughout the whole United States of America, where we're dealing with COVID, and we are seeing, as the mental health professionals and as those social workers, that this is a big thing now in our country, and we're seeing mental health just skyrocket to a whole nother level. And we know that after experiencing the trauma, we've been almost a year of dealing with this pandemic, that we're going to start seeing these numbers go up. And what can you do? I'm glad you asked. This is an opportunity for you not to be the clinical person and you not to be the professional person, but for you to come and get some awareness about mental health. So we offer this course here at the Zone, here at the Clint Scale House. We are looking for, our acts for today. I'm a part of a great group called BNI, and as we're in our meetings engaging, one thing we always ask is about an ask. What are you needing us to do to promote? We're asking you all to help us get the word out that, number one, the Zone is offering this class to any organizations, any groups. It could be any groups that are dealing with children. Lucilla also is certified for the child part of this. I'm certified for the adult right now. Lucilla also is bilingual, so if we have some Spanish-speaking people that are out there who would like to be a part of this training, let us know, because we're here to assist you and we want to get the word out. And this is a way that we can get the word out to churches, to different organizations, to leaders, those that are involved with different community groups. If you're in a group that's full of adults, whether it's the elderly population, whatever it may be, we are interested in helping them do what we need to do so that we can get the word out about mental health first aid. I'm reminded, as Lucilla gave the illustration earlier, it's just like if you fall off the porch. You know that a Band-Aid is not going to help. You may have a severe injury that may require that you get medical attention. This is kind of that thing in the mental health arena or world. If someone is dealing with a crisis or a stressor or something that's happened, this is an opportunity that you'll get information, that you're able to encourage them, assess them, help them, reassure them, and help them get the proper help that they need. Again, you are not a licensed clinical person. You are not a licensed professional person. You will leave that to some of the experts such as ourselves to help assist them, but we want you to help us get the word out. And so I invite you to call us. My name again is Treca DeShields. My number is 864-933-6343. My email address is Treca, TRECA.DeShields, DESHIELDS, the number 71@gmail.com. Lucila, you can give them your information.
Well, my work cell is 864-276-2064, 864-276-2064. You could call or text. And my email is Lucila, LUCILA, Beaton, BEATON, at Anderson5.net, all lowercase, all together, and it's Anderson, the number 5. And also, this course is available as an in-person course. It could be a blended course, right, or it could be totally virtual. So whichever way of delivery works best for your agency, we are available to provide it.
Yes, and I'm glad she pointed out those points. And this is the book that you'll receive, and when you're a part of the training with us, you'll leave with a lot of information. So if you're a pastor looking at us, if you're over an organization and you're watching us, please get in touch with us to see how we can better help your people become aware of mental health and some of the things that are going on in our world today concerning mental health. Because again, as I stated earlier, we're seeing a great rise in this, and we are excited about making you aware of how you can be a great help to a person that may be going through a crisis, because we never know. If we search our family line, there's been somebody that may have been in a crisis, and some of us were not able to help them. So now you can get the information because it's here. The Bible tells us that we perish because of lack of knowledge, and I just want you to be encouraged that this is a way that we get more knowledge, okay? So call us, let us know, share this video, please. And again, we're joining you today from the Clint-Scale House, which is where the Zone Service Inc. is located. We're located at 521 West Reed Street in Anderson, South Carolina, 29624. I'm looking forward to hearing from you all. You all be blessed. Have a wonderful day. Any closing remarks, Lucila?
Just that this is a way to get more people in the community trained and equipped. A lot of times we want to help. A lot of times we have the heart. We want to assist. And sometimes we stop ourselves because we just don't know how. So this is just a way to equip you with the knowledge to have a meaningful way to intervene and provide that support to someone who's hurting.
Thank you. So again, we're having a face-to-face today with a group here. We're having an exciting time. They're learning a lot. They're engaging a lot. This is also an opportunity for you to engage. It's very interactive. We have a lot of activities that we're able to do with this so that you can remember and retain the information. But we're excited about what we're doing. And as we're closing our training today, we're hoping that you will consider joining us in a future training. Thank you. You all be blessed. Have a wonderful day.